Welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick video on cooking rice. As you know, in the Cajun culture, we like our rice. And I don't like mushy rice. So here's the easiest way that I found to do it on the stove. So I have rice, any glass. It doesn't matter what size, if it's a 16-ounce tumbler, a coffee cup, exactly measured cup. Just get your glass. We're going to use that same glass to fill it with the water. It'll come out perfect. And don't forget to wash your rice. I usually do it in the sink under hot water and try to get all that starch out of there. I'm going to rinse this off a couple of times. Pick out anything that don't look right. You can see the color of the water. Alright, we'll try to get the rest of this water out of here. It don't have to be exact. As long as you get most of it out, we're good. Set that aside. Here's the glass we use. I'm just going to fill it up. Whoop, little sharp. That's it. Cup of rice, cup of water, glass of rice, glass of water, whatever you want. We'll put the lid on this, bring it up to a boil on the stove, set it on simmer. We'll be right back. Crank the fire on high. We'll keep it covered until it starts to come up to a good simmer, then I'll lower it. Alright, once we have a simmer, I'm going to turn the fire on low. You can see how high the heat is. Set the timer, 19 minutes, start, and that's it. We're 3 minutes in. You can see the bubbles coming up from the rice. Don't worry about it. Everything's gone as planned. Just let it go. Just forget about it till you hear the beep and it'll be fine. Alright, rice is done. Timer off. I'm going to cut the fire, move it aside, and just let it cool off for 5 minutes. 5 minutes cooling. Still hot. Take a fork, fluff up the rice. You can see it's perfectly fine. There you go. Perfect. Every time. Thanks for watching.